In today's video, I'm going to teach you Semrush keyword magic tool Longtail keywords. We'll walk through how to find specific, low competition search terms that are easier to rank for and more likely to bring the right visitors to your site. First, log into your Semrush account. On the left-hand panel, hover over the SEO section and click Keyword Magic Tool. When the page opens, you'll see a search field at the top. Type in a seed keyword that represents your topic or niche. If you want results tailored to a specific website, you can also add a domain for personalized data. Next, choose your target country so Semrush pulls results from the correct database, then click Search. Give the page a moment to load. You'll now see a large list of keyword suggestions, along with helpful metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, and more. Before we refine anything, let's align on what we're after. Longtail keywords are phrases of 3 or more words. They're more specific, usually have lower competition, and often convert better because the searcher's intent is clearer. Instead of chasing a broad term, you're focusing on exactly what your audience is asking for. Now, let's set smart filters to surface those long tails. Use the word count filter and set it to show phrases with at least 3 to 5 words. This helps isolate the more specific queries. For keyword difficulty, choose a threshold under 50 to keep competition manageable while still finding terms with ranking potential. For volume, a range of about 50 to 1,000 is a good balance. Enough interest to matter, without drifting into ultra-competitive territory. Next, turn on the questions filter. This instantly brings up how, what, and why style phrases that are perfect prompts for blog posts and YouTube videos. They tend to signal clear intent and make it easier to structure content that directly answers the user's need. Finally, switch between the match types at the top. Phrase match keeps your results closely tied to your seed keyword, which is great for focused, highly relevant long tails. Related expands beyond your exact phrasing and uncovers adjacent ideas you might not have considered. Move between these views to tighten or broaden your research as needed. As you review candidates, glance at keyword difficulty and volume together, and prioritize terms that match the audience and country you selected. With these filters and views, you'll quickly build a list of long-tail keywords that are specific, realistic to rank for, and primed to convert.